Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to add the iconic Lookbook Number 2 section to your Shopify store. And trust me, this one's a game changer for any fashion or lifestyle brand. So what makes this section so powerful? It lets your customers browse a complete outfit, and with just one click on any look, they can instantly see every product in that outfit and add items directly to their cart. It's a seamless shopping experience that drives more conversions and keeps customers engaged longer. Let's get started. First, head over to the Shopify App Store and install Iconic Sections. Once it's installed, open the app and navigate to the sections library. Find Lookbook Number 2, select your theme, and hit Install. Then click Customize to open your theme editor. From there, go to Add section, search for Lookbook Number 2, and click to add it. It'll appear on your page instantly. Now let's make it your own. You can change the background color or even apply a gradient. I'll keep mine clean and white for now. Next, update the heading text to match your brand and choose a heading style and color that fits your aesthetic. Under Grid Settings, you can control how many columns appear on desktop and mobile separately. Then adjust the image aspect ratio. Choose between portrait, landscape, square, or adaptive, and fine-tune the gap between images. There's plenty more to explore too. Overlays, modal windows, close buttons, borders, carousels, counters, badges, cards, titles, and text styles, all fully customizable. And under Section Style, you can edit the box shadow, section borders, padding, and margin. If you need even more control, there's a custom CSS option as well. Now for the fun part, adding your products. Click on any grid item where you want to showcase an outfit. Upload your outfit image, then add an overlay label, something like office fit or weekend look. Next, select the products that match that outfit. You can link existing products or create new ones by clicking Create Product and filling in the details. Once everything's set, move the cursor to that grid on your live store will reveal the overlay label, and tapping it will display all the products you've added for that look. I've gone ahead and set up all the grids with images and matching products, and here's how it looks in the preview. Clean, shoppable, and super intuitive for your customers. And that's it. If you want to add this section to your Shopify store, go install Iconic Sections from the Shopify App Store and get started today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, sections, and Shopify upgrades. We'll see you in the next one.